In front of me is CYRUS CS40, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open apps right here, and then click on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner. And if you truly want to reset app preferences, just select this mark and then decide if you really want to reset all preferences for disabled networks, disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background API restriction for apps, and any other permission restrictions. And if you do, just click on reset apps. And that's it, you've just reset app preferences. Congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.